How to enable passcode or biometric lock on AvaTrade. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to make your trading app more secure, then you can enable a passcode lock in it. First things first, open the AvaTrade app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in and you are in the home page of AvaTrade, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the horizontal menu button. Once you do that, you'll open up this tab where you need to click on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll see the Use Passcode toggle menu. Toggle it on and create a passcode for your account. Re-enter the passcode once again to verify, and you've enabled the passcode lock or the biometric lock option on AvaTrade. Now your AvaTrade app is more secure. Every time you open it up, you'll need your passcode or biometric verification. This will keep your trading account safe from unwanted access. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.